These depict reconstructions of early humans and Neanderthals based on archaeological and anthropological findings. The images show a contrast between early Homo sapiens, who likely had tight, coiled hair textures typical of African ancestry, and Neanderthals, who are reconstructed with features like straighter or more loosely curled hair. These depictions are created by paleoartists and scientists using forensic techniques to reconstruct facial features and hair textures based on skeletal remains, DNA evidence, and cultural artifacts. The tight curls and dense texture seen in the early Homo sapiens images reflect adaptations to tropical climates, where such hair helped with heat regulation. The looser, straighter textures in Neanderthal reconstructions suggest adaptations to colder climates, where denser, straighter hair could provide better insulation. These reconstructions help us visualize our shared past and the physical diversity of early human populations. They also highlight how traits like hair texture evolved in response to environmental pressures,